ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 45 List Boxes. List boxes are similar to combo boxes, except the options are permanently viewed in a list format and no manual entry is allowed. The amount of values which appear in the box depends on the size of the list box you create. If the list box is too small, scroll bars will appear to the side of the list box to allow you to scroll through the values. OK, with the premises database open from the previous lesson, open the original New Premises form in Design View. Ensure the Use Control Wizards option is turned on. So, from the Design tab, within the Controls section, the More button, and then Use Control Wizards. Delete the glazing field in the Details section of the form, and then from the Controls section, select the List Box button. Click once where the glazing field used to be. The List Box wizard appears. Notice that the options for a list box are exactly the same as for a combo box. Select the second option, I will type in the values that I want, and then click Next. Type in None, Standard, Tinted and Double using Tab to move to a new line after each entry. None, Standard, Tinted, Double. Click Next. Choose Store that value in this field and select the glazing field. And then click Next. Enter the label as glazing and then click Finish. Use Format Painter to standardize the appearance of the new field. And then reposition and/or resize the field until the form has a similar layout to the following. Save the form and switch to Form View. Make sure the record for M001 is displayed. The list box shows all the values that can be entered into the glazing field, and the value for the current record is the one that's highlighted. To change the value for the record on the screen, click on Double. If we start a new record, notice that nothing is selected in glazing by default. Switch to Design View and view the properties for the list box. On the Data tab, in the Default Value property, enter Standard. Switch to Form View and let's try and start a new record again. Notice now that Standard is selected in the glazing field. Switch to Design View and decrease the depth of the glazing list box to about half of its current size. Return to Form View. The list box should now require scroll bars to enable all the available values to be viewed. OK, let's save the form. And in the next lesson, we'll be using this database and also this particular form. OK, so we've just looked at list boxes. In the next lesson, we'll be dealing with checkboxes. OK, I hope this is all making sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.